Good morning, St. Mary's. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Jillian. And in Student Life News, today we celebrate the feast of a very special Lasallian saint who has more schools named after him in the United States than anyone else except Saint Lasallian. Let's head over to Angelo from the ministry team with more information.
Hey Panthers! Today we celebrate the feast day of Saint Miguel Febres Cordero. He was declared a saint in 1984. He was born in 1854 in Ecuador. His family was prominent in politics. He was born with a physical disability and lived with it his whole life. He was a good student and later a gifted teacher. In 1868, he became the first Ecuadorian Christian brother despite his family's desire of a different career. Over time, he wrote many books and was honored for his scholarship by Ecuador and Spain. His students admired his simplicity, directness, and concern for them, and prayerfulness. He died in Spain in 1910 from pneumonia. Today throughout the USA, several San Miguel middle schools that serve marginalized communities have been named after him as a tribute to his love for teaching and for his good work with younger students. Now back to announcements.
And Panthers Ash Wednesday is coming up. This year, Ash Wednesday falls on Valentine's Day, February 14th. There's a special family mass on Wednesday at 8 a.m. This mass will be celebrated in the chapel and is open to all students, faculty, families, and staff. We hope to see you there.
Congratulations to St. Mary's mock trial team who defeated Berkeley High in last night's trial. Special shout out to senior Kai Emmerling for his incredible pre-trial motion, senior Dylan McCourt for his cross-examination of key witnesses, and junior Peter Podesta for crushing the closing argument and receiving the Peer Recognition Award for Berkeley. Great work, everyone.
And yesterday was our Black History Month assembly. We hope everyone took something away from the event. We certainly did. Philson can sing. And as demonstrated by the live music and movement feature, dance is an integral part of African American culture. Today's Spotlight features an outstanding and groundbreaking dancer.
Hey Panthers, happy Black History Month. It's Sophia from Inclusive Community here to talk about a Black activist. Alvin Ailey was not only an American activist, but one of the most influential and important choreographers in the history of modern dance. Born on January 5, 1931, Ailey's first experiences with watching concert dance performances inspired him to pursue dance. Ailey began studying modern dance with Lester Horton and joined Horton's dance company the following year. Overall, Ailey's choreography is a harmonious blend of various dance styles, such as modern, ballet, jazz, and Black vernacular movement. He founded the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater in 1958 in New York. This multiracial modern dance ensemble popularized modern dance internationally due to world tours. His piece, Revelations, is considered a cornerstone of American modern dance as it is a depiction of the journeys of Black Americans during the Reconstruction era. African American music from his youth, such as the blues, spirituals, and gospel music, inspired this piece. Ailey's works are multifaceted and were not exclusively focused on struggles, but also celebrated Black culture's beauty, resilience, and joy. His platform was used as a tool to empower communities through dance education and advocating for racial equality. Alvin Ailey seamlessly combined activism and artistry. After passing away in 1989, Ailey's legacy and impact on American culture continues to inspire the pursuit of equality and creative freedom for future generations of dancers, activists, and artists worldwide. Thanks for listening, and back to the announcements.
Today is the last day to order a placement student ID. Put your name on the list in the main office with Ms. Pilara if you have lost your student ID. There is a $10 fee that will be charged later. As a reminder, you must have an ID to purchase food on campus from the Shea Cafe.
And Panthers, the Environmental Club will gather for a beach cleanup tomorrow. Meet at Albany Beach at 10 a.m. noon, rain or shine. This beach cleanup activity is a great opportunity for service hours. Bring your friends and see you there. See Dr. Tierney in room 810 today for more information.
Candygrams are being sold for $1 today at lunch, and special candygrams for $3 at lunch and A Block. So make sure to stop by and get some for your Valentine's Day.
And please join the music department for their winter music concert next Thursday at 7 p.m. You will hear the sounds of the beginning, intermediate, symphonic, and modern and jazz bands. Yesterday, we were fortunate to get a sneak preview of the
Students, course evaluations start next week. Ensure your feedback is constructive and respectful. Now here's Tiger with your Panther Athletics.
In exciting action yesterday at lunch, the freshman upstart Net Ninjas took down powerhouse Willy Woo Woo by 12 points. As expected, Poncho's team knocked off another freshman upstart Zooper squad by 7. Today's Lucas Nitz's squad will try to fend off Lele's team at lunch. Come join the fun. It was one for the record books as the St. Mary's girls team scored the three-peat by winning the T-Cal Playoff Championship on a sunny but cool Thursday afternoon at Brady Park. Unlike Tuesday's late-game winning goal, yesterday the Panthers scored first in the 9th minute after this penalty in the box. A cool, calm freshman, Sofia Deloa Ramirez, then drilled in the penalty kick to take the 1-0 lead over the Albany Cougars. The Panthers continued pressing the ball for the next 70-plus minutes and kept Albany from scoring on some great defense and a stellar goalie performance. Before Thursday's match, the Panthers were ranked number 6 among NCS D4 schools. St. Mary's will find out on Sunday where they will land in the NCS tourney and should have at least one more home game right here at Brady Park. Last night, in the T-Cal girls basketball semifinals, the Panthers lost to Salesian by 40-57. St. Mary's will find out on Sunday if they qualify for the NCS tourney. There are no games today, but baseball hits the diamond tomorrow in a scrimmage against Doherty Valley. It was originally scheduled for their place, but was changed due to poor field. We just found out before airtime that the JV scrimmage is canceled for tomorrow. And that's it. Back to Dylan and Jillian with today's birthdays.
Thanks, Tiger, and a very happy birthday today, too.
Elliot,
And over the weekend to
Sophie,
Henry,
Lucas,
Bray,
Naomi.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to you.
And if it begins with the T, then the Shea Cafe is serving it today. Tex-Mex chicken taquitos, Thai curry chicken, or Thai wochong curry tofu are all among the headliners on today's menu.
That's it for today.
Have a great
day,
weekend,
St.
St. Mary's.